Want to go from this to this? Then you clicked on the right video. If you have anything you want to learn, all you have to do is subscribe and comment your request, and I will deliver in due time. First, get the clip you want to Twixtor, which you can download at animeclips.online. Set stretch to 2.5. Click here. Click only these three. No need to touch motion sensitivity or smooth at the bottom, unless you want to experiment a little. Play to see if it's to your liking. Then if you like what you see, export at 1080p resolution, 60 frames per second, and quality very high if your phone can handle these settings. Also make sure you press root, and put these as your settings before anything.
Sorry, I forgot.
After, get the clip you just exported and look for time remap, which is in the time section. There are chops at the end, so you need to play it through and check for it. Follow what I do here. Put a keyframe right before the chops and delete the very last keyframe. Then drag the keyframe you just put to the end. Click Graphs and choose the second one. Play again to see if it's to your liking. If you want it more fast-paced, so the warps won't be so visible, follow my lead. Now for this scene you saw at the beginning. As you can see, it's a scene where the camera is moving and also things moving in the background. I'm showing you this because if you take what I taught you in the beginning and implement it in a moving clip 9 times out of 10, it's going to come out like this. Obviously, you don't want that. That's why I have to do what other people don't mention, because most likely they didn't know themselves or didn't care enough to say. Anyways, let's get started. Get time remap and follow my lead. Drag this to the end and start adding keyframes on the parts when the character at the front is moving. Doing so will get rid of the dead frames so your Twixtor can come out smoother. After you're done, do this. Drag this bar to beginning and put your keyframes together as close as I'm putting it. Press down and swipe over the keyframes to group them together so it's easier to move. Click the last keyframe and cut out last part. Click here and delete this one. Move this, then export. Get the clip you just exported and put stretch at 6.5. After, you apply optical flow that you used before. Now apply time remap once again. Play it through to find the chops at the end. After that, just do it exactly how I did it last time. Add keyframe and delete the very last one. Sometimes it might glitch in the beginning, but all you have to do is add the keyframe after the chop, and it should be fine after. If it happens midway into the clip, sorry, but you're cooked. I usually time remap it after so that it can be a bit faster. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but in my experience, it can look way better in an edit when it's remapped, so I highly recommend you add it and follow what I do. Once it's to your liking, you can just export it, and just like that, you're done. Like I said in the beginning, just subscribe and comment what you would like me to do a tutorial on next. If you made it this far, comment a food you wish you was eating right now. See you in the next one.